Putting a sanitary towel around your neck could change your life. Few people know this secret, and once you know it, you will rush to do it today. When doing our daily activities, our body produces sweat that can stain the neck of the clothes, and especially when you live in a country where it is very hot. When washing, the neck of the clothes turns out to be a difficult area, especially when it comes to white clothes, which causes it to stain. Many people buy chemical products to clear this part, but these tend to taint the clothes and do not always work. But do not worry, since today I will show you 2 incredible solutions that will help you keep the neck area clean in a few minutes. To begin with, we are going to take a towel or sanitary protector and remove the plastic. We are going to put it in the neck area, which is normally stained when we put on the clothes. We pour a little colored water to show you how well it works. As you can see, the cloudy water does not cross the side of the neck. In the same way, when you put on the shirt, the fabric of the neck will not darken. In case you have pieces with a darkened neck, stay there, since I will show you another solution to leave it as new. The first thing you should do is take the tanned piece and soak it in a little water. Once soaked, we will use a little liquid soap and apply it in the area. Then we take a little sodium bicarbonate and apply it in the same way. Now let it rest for 10 minutes. Next, we are going to take a brush and soak it in water. Then we take a little toothpaste of the brand you prefer and apply it to the bristles of the brush. Once this is done, we rub in the tanned area for about a minute so that the stain disappears. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Misael Valdez from the Dominican Republic. You will notice how it will lighten. After this, you just have to submerge in the water to remove the mixture and put it in the sun until it dries. It will look like new.